On the basis of the meeting we had on WhatsApp with our online students, we realized that the suggested time by our online students will not be sufficient to cover the entire ICAN syllabus if the lecture is held in weekdays. So we therefore change the lecture days to weekends, Saturdays and Sunday. Here is our proposed timetable. Skills level. Saturday, 8 to 10, tax. 10 to 12, financial reporting 1. 12 to 12:30, break. 12:30 to 2:30 p.m. 1. 2:30 to 4:30, CSME. And 4:30 to 6, that is group accounts. Sunday, 12 to 2, FR2. 2 to 4, PM2. 4 to 6, PSAF. Professional level. Saturday, advanced tax 8 to 10. 10 to 12, CR1. 12 to 12:30, break. 12:30 to 2:30, CR2. 2:30 to 4:30, SFM1. 4:30 to 6, group accounts. Sunday, 12 to 2, CR3. 2 to 4, SFM2. 4 to 6,